Hello Saints! In this video we will go over how to create a district shepherding list with a numbers recording system. This function is only available if you have a district account or a localities serving one's account. Okay. Now to begin, you just log into your page, into your account, and then you click on this red button here. The purpose of this shepherding list is to see who comes to what meetings but are absent for another kind of meeting. So for example, once you log in, you will see a drop-down list, okay, and of all the districts. So if you have the localities serving one's account, you will have all the districts of that locality in this drop-down list. But if you only have a district serving one's account, then you will only have the district that you're serving for under the drop-down menu. Okay, and then you select the range here, okay, and then you can select the meeting that they come to but absent for another meeting. So let's say who comes to Lord's Day meeting but do not come to prayer meetings. Okay, then you can do a search here and you will get a list of all the ones who come to Lord's Day meetings, who came at least once but do not come to the prayer meetings during this time frame. So if you click into their names, it'll show you a little bit more info, their personal info, their meeting records, and their meeting record chart. So in this chart you see, okay, they come to Lord's Day meetings, okay, they come even to small group meetings, but then there's nothing about prayer meetings in here. Okay, great. And that is how you create a district shepherding list. If you have any questions, you can contact your serving ones or your system administrator. Thank you, Saints.